Hello friends, I'm back again. Welcome to my cuisine, Appy's Cuisine. Today I will make just beautiful cookies, coffee bean cookies. So let's start. I have taken here 1.5 teaspoon instant coffee and I am adding here 2 tablespoon hot milk. So mix it all and keep aside. Now I have taken here 50-gram butter and 1/4 cup icing sugar. That mixed it well. I am using here hand blender. You can use electric blender also. You can see how it is fluffy. Now I will mix the coffee mixture. And again mix it well. I am using some few drops of vanilla essence. Now it's time for mixing the dry ingredients. I am using here 1 cup all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoon cocoa powder. I am using Cadbury cocoa powder. And 1 tablespoon cornstarch. Now sieve it. Now is the time of mixing. Just gently mix it in a process of cut and mix. My dough is ready. Now it will go for 1 hour in our refrigerator. So I am taking here a foil paper. Just wrap it. And it will go to the fridge now for 1 hour. Now I have removed from the fridge. Uncover it gently. Now cut the mold into some balls. Roll it. Cut it into pieces. Give a oval shape. First make this oval shapes ball. Then we will make the coffee beans shape. I have made this I have some extra mold. I will wrap it through the foil paper and I will keep it in the refrigerator again. I can use it through the whole week. Okay, now take any knife or spoon, anything else. I have taken this one and make the cut shape in the middle of the cookies. Do a soft touch. You can see how beautiful it is now only. We will bake it now. I have taken here one pan. It's a cake tin normal. I have greased it. I have given here a butter paper and brushed it. Now take your cookies and set here properly. Make some gap. I have arranged all the cookies. Now it will go into our micro oven. In convection mode we have to bake it for 12 minutes only. That's it. Our oven should be preheated. I have removed it from the oven. It's too hot now. So just give some time for cooling. After that I will serve it. My coffee bean cookies are ready. It's very much beautiful. A bowl full of love. You can serve anywhere for evening snacks with coffee and tea. It's just beautiful. You can see its color. It's just beautiful. Just try it in your home. Very beautiful cookies. Crunchy, beautiful cookies. Thank you.